let's start building the D-style Leviathan. Sorry this video took so long, but yeah, been pretty busy. So let's just get into this. And these are the pieces for the head. We need this one. And we need this one. And here's one of the painted pieces. The clear piece, pretty nice. And we will also need this piece. And we just have to put this through some tabs. And I think I got it. Alright, there you go. So we will also be needing this. No. Oh yeah, this piece. Okay. And of this piece. So there's a little rod in there. There's a little divot right there. Let's put that through. Stick this in here. Okay, so here's the neck joint. And we will be closing it up with this piece. Oh, no, this way. Okay, that just holds everything all together. And let me see. So we will be needing, I think, these pieces. Yep. Alright. Nope. I think this is the other one. No, the first one was right. Yeah, they are oriented for different sides, so I don't know which one's which because I took them off I took them off the runners. So yep, my bad. All right, there's that. And let's see, this one multi-part pieces. How do we put this? Alright, so it's this piece first. Alright, that goes together. This piece. Good. And finally, another painted part. Does it go this way? Nope. This way. Alright, this is supposed to go in right here. There it is. There you go. That's pretty nice. And there's also a clear piece which is for another mode, and I'm just gonna put it in right now. If I could open this part up. Alright, there you go. So this part opens up, and you're supposed to stick this in here. That's pretty cool. So I think this is an effect part, but yep, that's the whole entire completed head. Alright, let's get on to the next part. Next part will be the chest. And here's all the pieces for it. We will start with this piece and this front piece right here. Alright, and it just sticks in right there. one, we will also need a polycap for this. This one is PC2A, which is just a single ball polycap ball joint dealio, whatever it's called. That. Alright, and we will need this chest piece right here. So this is almost like a little internal frame right here. And we will have, let's see if I have the orientation correct. Yep. So the polycap goes in here. And is it this piece? Or is it this piece? No, it's this piece. Okay. This one goes right here. Oh, is it the wrong way? Oh, okay, got it. Doesn't really fit in right. It doesn't fit in snug because I think you're supposed to close it up with this piece. So both of the pegs stick it into the middle. That's pretty nice. It's pretty different. And they just close together. A little different from, like, you know, Bandai kits and everything. Alright, there's basically the main part of the chest. Sorry if I'm not talking to you guys because I'm looking at the manual right now. Alright, we will need another polycap. Had a little mishap right there. The camera fell, which kind of sucks. Well, we're back. And stuff happens, and polycaps go in. Polycaps go in? Yes, polycaps go in. There you go. And this one goes in here for the chest. So not sure which side is which. I'm pretty sure this is the chest. And here is this piece that closes everything up for the waist, I think. Everything has a nice little snap to it, which I really love. And all these little tiny pieces, which I have to find out which goes where and what goes what. Alright. They go like this, I think. This way? Yeah. Like so. And this one for the top. I like so. And if I didn't show you guys, top one has a slit, the bottom one has a circle, so you're not gonna get them confused. And I think they could just be rearranged. And that's mainly the chest right there. Yep, that is the chest. We're all done here. And on to the next part.